Hello guys, if you want to know how to shape your brows or how to groom your brows or how to trim your brows or even how to clean your brows, keep on watching. So I'll be starting off with a razor blade, and I made use of this new toothbrush because I could not find my spoolie eyebrow brush. So I'll just brush my brows up, and I'm going to take off the hair from under there. Just use your razor to define your brows. If you want it curved, if you want it archy, that's just how you will do it. So I'll take off those hair and make sure it's in a straight line. So you could hold your forehead, firm, or raise your brow just to make sure your skin is firm and it's easier to work with. So as I'm shaping it, I would raise my hand up so that I can see what I am doing, and if I'm getting it right, I'll keep going into the brow bit by bit, taking off the excess hair, maintaining a straight line and applying just little pressure, not much pressure. I'm just lightly brushing the razor on my skin. Keep doing it, and I'm not applying much pressure on my skin. The razor is new and very sharp, so it's easy to work with. Make sure you use a sharp and new razor always when you shape your brows, and if you go somewhere else, insist it must be a new razor. So of course you don't need to share sharp objects, and I'll just keep lightly, gently shaping off those hair I do not want. And once I'm done with that, I'll brush the brow up so that I can trim off the top part. So those excess long strands, actually, I'll just trim it off. I'm doing it with a down to up, as you can see, down to up motion. So that's what I'm doing, gently taking it down, up, and it's taking off the excess long strands that are there. You can actually trim it from up down. It depends on how you want to do it, but if there are any long strands up, you still need to do it from a down to up motion to easily take it off. So I like my brows just normal. I don't want to make it tiny or small. Those small brows are not my kind of thing. I don't always want it big too. I just want it normal. So this is how I like it, and I'll just brush it, and if there's any need to shape again, I do the same. So I'll do the same thing to the other brow. I'll just lightly brush the razor on my skin while taking off that hair. I lift my hand up to see what I am doing. I keep going in bits till I'm done with the whole brow, and I'm going to brush it up like I did after I'm done with the down part. Brush it up, take off the excess strands from the top. That's all I do, and it's very easy for me because my brows are not very thick and stubborn or coily, so it's easier. If your brows are coily and really stubborn, you might need maybe scissors, pair of scissors to trim, do a lot of trimming too. So I'll just brush that, and I'll continue trimming it. So I think I'm done, and I like it. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you think I should have reduced it more or what? So I went ahead to draw the brows. The way I draw my brows, I don't even do the concealer most times to clean it up. I just choose to use a concealer. So if you want to see how I drew my brows, just tap on the video on the screen and watch, or you check the description box for the link to the video on how I drew these brows. So what do you guys think? I think the brows are just very natural and still nice. Please do well to subscribe and check out other videos. Thank you so much.